Akala nyo ba natapos na ang paglago dito sa Dubai? Well, let me share you this mga boss. Yesterday, habang marami ang nag-aabang kung ano ang susunod na mangyayari sa ekonomiya, I was in a room filled with business owners, investors, founders, and top executives during the Briefing 2026. Resilience and Recovery Conference hosted by Arabian Business at JW Marriott Hotel, Dubai. And here is what surprised me mga boss. Habang maraming tao ang naghihintay kung ano ang mangyayari sa ekonomiya, successful businesses are already planning their next move. Pinag-uusapan dito ang mga pagbabago sa market, global trade, investment, tourism, aviation, finance, at kung saan manggagaling ang next wave of opportunities sa mga sumusunod na taon. One thing I realized mga boss, the people who win are not always the smartest. They are the ones who stay informed, adapt quickly, and take action before everyone else. Kaya importante talaga na patuloy tayong natututo, nakikipag-network at nakikinig sa mga industry leaders. Because opportunity don't usually announce themselves. Minsan, nasa tamang room ka lang, kasama ang tamang tao, at nakikinig sa tamang conversation. That's my another productive day here in Dubai mga boss. Learning, connecting, and preparing for what's next.